everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed my hair in 10-15 minutes max. I'm still in shock, I'm still in awe. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install clip-in hair extensions. It was my very first time using these type of extensions and I love. The clip-in hair extensions that I'm going to be using are from a brand called Curls Queen. And let's do a quick unboxing. So in the box you get a purse. We're going to get into this purse shortly. You also get a satin bag that has the extensions in it, and there are two pieces of paper. One is a thank you card, okay? And the second one is a pamphlet. In this pamphlet, you get all the information you need about how to take care of your extensions, all the information you need about the brand themselves. So in the purse, you get two items, actually no, three. One is a brush. I really love this brush. Okay, this is the second one I have from them. Very good for brushing out and detangling your extensions. And then you get the satin bonnet. I love the band it comes with. I love how stretchy it is. I also love the fact that it has it's adjustable, like there's a drawstring, and then you have extra clips here that you can add to the extensions that you get, okay? So straight out of the box, the hair comes wrapped in this whole protective net, which is very, very good. I love it when extensions come covered like this. And I want you guys to get into this hair texture. This is so similar to the texture of my hair, of my relaxed hair. I love it. First, I'm just going to, cut it open to separate everything. I love how it was secured. You get different clip-ins. So the first clip-in, this is the longest and it has 5 clips on it, right? 2. So you get a pair of clip-ins, clip-in hair extensions with 5 clips, right? You get a pair with 4 clips, 3 clips, and you get 2 pairs, okay, of extensions with 2 clips. So basically 4 in total. So 2 short, basically 4, you guys can see. So they just have 2 clips each on one extension. The others are just 2. So at this point, I'm just going to play around, try to see what length to use on what part of my hair, okay? And then I'm going to brush through the extension and straighten. I think it's just easier to do this way instead of trying to straighten after you've put the clip-ins on your hair. This hair is so gorgeous and so soft and so fluffy and so nice. It is 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin hair. True to length, guys. The length of the clip-ins that I have, 20 inches. And it is thick, or they are thick and full from top to end. It was so easy to straighten this, guys, and it took me maybe about 5 minutes to do this. My straightener is also very, very good, but I think that this is something that I'd recommend that you do before you actually install the clip-ins. So now that we're done with straightening, I'm going to unwrap my hair. And this is my hair, guys. I've not relaxed my hair in a very, very long time. And as I already told you guys in a previous vlog, I actually want to start doing texture release. So I have a lot of new growth. I'm just applying some conditioner, just very, very lightly all over. And like I said, I have new growth, so my edges are not super straight or anything, and I actually love it because at the end of the day it just made this look fire. I am going to part my hair, or I'm parting my hair at this point. I wanted the center part, okay? I felt like that was just the best and easiest thing for me to do, considering the fact that I had not relaxed my hair in a while. So I'm going to start from the back, installing these clip-ins. Guys, these are so easy to install. Guys, when I say easy, I mean that these are so easy to install. I'm not even a hair girl like that, but the fact that I was able to do this in about 10 minutes, amazing. So all you want to do is to just kind of make is, to be honest, I've even seen videos where the line is not that straight. So if you're a newbie, don't focus on the straightness of your line, okay? Just make sure that you have a line that is somewhat straight. And then once you do that, just clip the hair down to the section that you've sectioned out, okay? And we're going to repeat this throughout the hair. So at this particular stage, I used the clip-ins that have 3 clips. So that's how it typically would go. So at the bottom of your head, or at the bottom of your scalp towards your nape, you would use like maybe about 3 or 2, depending on the size of your head. I use the ones that have 3. I think nobody can use 2, to be honest. You start out with 3 most likely, and then you gradually move on to 4. And as you get to the top of your head, you have to use the longest clip-ins, okay? So at this point, I used the clip-ins that had like 4 clips, okay? Sectioning out again. Brushing to make sure that it's neat. So at this stage, I used 4. The clip-ins that I use at this stage for me is 4. You have to be mindful and make sure that you leave enough hair on the sides of your head. So 4. And then after this, I now used the last 2 clip-ins, like the longer ones. I used the ones with 5 clips from this stage. So I'll use 2 of them, and then I'll move to the front and you guys would see. But the wider your head gets, the longer the clip-ins will have to be. So at this stage, it's the 5 clips that I am using. This was so quick and easy, guys. I'm just still not over how quick and easy this was. And like I said, you don't have to be perfect with this. Take your time. This was my first time, so it wasn't like I would make some mistakes and I'll adjust. So just be easy on yourself and know that in as much as it's easy, you're not going to get it perfect at your first try. You're going to have to adjust. But then at the end of the day, it's just very easy, okay? So I'm going to use the final 5 clip-in at this point. So this is just me opening up the clips and just putting it on my head and clipping down. So at this stage, I am using the clip-ins, the ones that have like 2 clips on the sides. And initially I thought that this was enough because you guys are going to see me trying to just round up and all of that, straighten my hair and just fix my part and all of that. But then after I finished doing this, I realized that I wanted to add more clips. I'm just putting some heat protector here before I straighten. As you guys can see, I said that I have new growth, but I just feel like the new growth overall it made the hair look a certain type of way that I loved. Made it look like the hair was growing out of my scalp. So at this point, I figured that I needed more hair. So I had to put 1 clip in each just beside the part, and then I love the way that looked. Don't get me wrong, if you like it when your hair just looks like a lot flatter at the top, then you might just have to use like one clip in each on the different sides, but me, I ended up using the 4. Just some hair wax, that's what I've applied to smooth things, and then I've gone in, or I'm going in with an edge control, and this is one of my favorites. It's from Smith's Hair Care. It's a Nigerian brand here, and this is one of those edge controls that I've found to work for my hair when it's relaxed, not relaxed, has a lot of new growth. It's very, very good for people who have natural hair. So at this point, I'm just sleeking everything back. I love the way that it looks here, guys. Look how nice this looks. I love the fact that I was able to just tuck my hair behind my ear, looking straight on from the sides. It just looks very sleek and nice. It looks like a sew-in, like a very nice, beautiful sew-in. I love that. Just playing around with the hair at this point, I wanted to see what it looked like pulled forward. This hair is so full and so lush and so soft. Okay, I love this, and I'm also going to show you guys really shortly what it looks like with the hair pulled up at my back, like at my nape. You can actually do a very high pony with this, but here I'm doing just kind of like a low pony to show you guys that this is very possible. Okay, very, very possible. And then I've taken it out of that pony, and I'm going to attempt a half up, half down at this point. And after I did this, I quite liked it. I ended up wearing my hair like this out to dinner later that evening. I'm just smoothing everything out here, pinning and tucking away all the flyaways. And I loved it. It just looked like, my partner somewhere was like, what did you do to your hair? Like, I was like, I did this in 10 minutes. This is so easy and so convenient and so beautiful, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was just very, very easy, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next one.